All right, let me ask you something. What if you could be a global landlord? I'm talking about earning rent from an apartment in a city you've maybe never even visited, all from your couch. It sounds kind of like something from the future, right? Well, it's not. It's very real, and today we're going to break down exactly how it works. Seriously, just imagine this for a second. You own a slice of a cool apartment in London, but you live all the way over in Mumbai. And still, every single month, like clockwork, that rent money just shows up in your bank account. I mean, this isn't science fiction anymore. It's a new reality for a lot of investors. So the big question is, how on earth is this possible? Well, the answer, the real key to all of this, is a simple but really powerful idea called fractional rental income. So let's unpack what that actually means. Okay, at its core, it's actually pretty simple. Instead of one person having to buy an entire property, which, costs a fortune, a whole group of people, like you and me, can pool our money together. Each person then owns a fraction of that building. And in return, guess what? You get a fraction of the rent money it brings in. See? It's pretty straightforward. But to make this crystal clear, let's use a little analogy. So to really get this to click, I want you to completely forget about apartments and big pricey real estate for just a minute. Instead, we're going to talk about something way simpler, a vending machine. Trust me, this little analogy, it's the key to understanding this whole thing. Yeah, let's just call it the vending machine share. It sounds simple, and it is, but it's what unlocks this entire concept. Okay, here's how it works. Step 1, you and, say, 10 friends all chip in a little cash. Step 2, you take that cash and you buy a vending machine together. You stick it in a busy spot, like an office lobby. And now for step 3, and this is the best part. You don't have to do anything. You don't stock it, you don't fix it. You just show up every Friday, open it up, and split all the coins inside. It's a group investment, and it's totally passive. See how simple that is? Okay, now let's take that exact same idea and plug it right back into real estate. All we're doing is swapping out the coins for rent money. You can see the one-to-one parallel here, right? In our analogy, the asset is the vending machine itself. The payout, that's the pile of coins, and the owners are you and your buddies. Now, look at the apartment. The asset is the physical property. The payout is the monthly rent. And the owners? A group of investors. It is literally the exact same business model, just, on a much bigger scale. And all of this, it leads us to what is maybe the single most important takeaway from this whole thing. We need to completely rethink what it even means to own property in this context, because it's so much more than just owning a few bricks and a piece of a wall. Okay, here it is. This is the crucial point. You aren't just buying the brick, you're buying the business of the building. Think about it. The building itself is the product, the person living there, the tenant, is your customer, and the rent, that's your revenue. When you start to see it that way, wow, everything just clicks into place. You're not just a part-time landlord, you're a business owner. So that's really the game-changing idea here. Fractional rental income is all about turning something huge and solid, like a building, into something you can easily buy and sell a piece of, kind of like a stock. And that leaves us with one final, pretty powerful question to think about. What if owning a piece of a global city, London, Tokyo, New York, you name it, was as simple as buying a share? Just think about what that could mean.